Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best OBD2 scanners that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Foxwell NT301 is a versatile tool designed for DIY car enthusiasts and professionals seeking an efficient and affordable solution for diagnosing vehicle issues. This scanner effectively reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, allowing users to identify and address problems within the car's computer system. With the ability to turn off the check engine light after repairs, it provides a comprehensive diagnostic experience. One of its standout features is the capability to retrieve live data streams from the car's sensors, enabling real-time monitoring of critical parameters such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor voltage. This feature is invaluable for diagnosing issues that may not trigger a check engine light but can affect the vehicle's performance. Additionally, the NT301 scanner checks I&M readiness status, informing users whether their vehicle is prepared for an emissions test. It also retrieves essential vehicle information like the VIN, aiding in accurate identification and documentation of the car. While the NT301 scanner is known for its user-friendly interface and affordability, it should be noted that it primarily focuses on standard OBD2 functions and may not read ABS or airbag codes. However, its broad support for OBD2 protocols and inclusion of a built-in battery tester enhance its utility for everyday diagnostic tasks. Overall, the Foxwell NT301 is praised for its simplicity and effectiveness, making it an ideal choice for individuals who prefer to troubleshoot car issues independently or want to minimize frequent visits to mechanics for basic diagnostics. Its straightforward operation, coupled with features like live data streaming and emissions readiness checks, underscores its value as a practical and budget-friendly automotive diagnostic tool. The Carista is a comprehensive mobile app and adapter system designed to empower car owners with the ability to diagnose, customize, and service their vehicles independently. By connecting a compatible OBD2 adapter to the car's OBD2 port and using the Carista app, users gain access to a range of functionalities tailored to enhance the car ownership experience. One of the key features of Carista is its ability to diagnose engine warning lights by reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes. This allows users to identify issues triggering the check engine light and potentially resolve them without professional assistance. Additionally, Carista enables customization of various car settings, such as door lock behavior and headlight sensitivity, allowing for a personalized driving environment. The app also provides the capability to monitor live data from the car's computer system, including parameters like engine temperature, RPM, and fuel level. This real-time data monitoring aids in troubleshooting and maintaining the vehicle's health. Carista extends beyond diagnostics and customizations to guide users through service procedures such as oil changes and tire rotations. This feature empowers users to perform routine maintenance tasks themselves, saving time and money typically spent at workshops. Compatibility-wise, Carista supports a wide range of car brands and is accessible on iOS, Android, and Huawei App Gallery platforms. The app offers both free and paid versions, with the paid version unlocking all features, including advanced car customizations and detailed service procedures. In summary, Carista OBD2 provides a user-friendly interface for diagnosing, customizing, and maintaining vehicles, making it a valuable tool for DIY enthusiasts and car owners seeking greater control over their automotive experience. Its comprehensive features and compatibility ensure a versatile solution for car owners of different preferences and needs. The Blue Driver is an advanced diagnostic device compatible with iOS and Android operating systems, offering professional-grade capabilities for vehicle scanning and troubleshooting. This tool allows users to read and clear a wide range of trouble codes, including ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS, and more, providing insights usually reserved for mechanics. It goes beyond mere code reading, offering detailed repair reports specific to each vehicle make and model, aiding in accurate problem diagnosis and resolution. The Blue Driver operates wirelessly via Bluetooth, eliminating the hassle of wires commonly associated with traditional scan tools. Its user-friendly app provides access to a vast database of repair videos, guiding users through step-by-step repair processes. Notably, there are no subscription fees or in-app purchases required after the initial purchase. One of its standout features is the ability to monitor live data while driving, allowing users to track their vehicle's health in real time. It supports Mode 6 for advanced diagnostics, smog readiness checks, freeze-frame data capture, and multi-data graphing, providing comprehensive insights into vehicle performance. Moreover, the Blue Driver offers extensive compatibility with various vehicle models globally, ensuring coverage for a wide range of manufacturers and systems. It can generate, print, and share detailed repair reports, making it an invaluable tool for both car enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. In summary, the Blue Driver stands out for its professional-grade diagnostic capabilities, user-friendly interface, extensive vehicle coverage, and comprehensive repair support. It empowers users to efficiently diagnose and address vehicle issues, ultimately aiding in maintaining optimal vehicle health and performance. The Launch CRP123X is a comprehensive diagnostic scan tool catering to vehicles manufactured post-1996 and OBD2 compliant. It excels in diagnosing key systems including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS through features such as trouble code reading and clearing, live data streaming, and more. This device supports all 10 OBD2 test modes, crucial for emission-related diagnostics and readiness monitoring during inspection and maintenance. Additionally, depending on your vehicle's model year, the CRP123X offers specialized functions like SAS calibration, throttle reset, and oil reset, enhancing its versatility. Equipped with an Android 7 operating system and 16 GB of memory, the CRP123X provides a user-friendly interface with ample storage capacity for diagnostic software and vehicle data. Its 6,100 mAh battery ensures extended usage on a single charge, making it ideal for field diagnostics. A standout feature of the CRP123X is its auto-VIN retrieval capability, streamlining diagnostics by automatically identifying the vehicle's VIN. Real-time battery monitoring enables users to assess battery health conveniently, while Wi-Fi connectivity facilitates lifetime updates for software and expanded vehicle coverage. The scanner boasts a 5-inch touchscreen display for easy navigation and control, complemented by intuitive on-screen definitions for diagnostic results. Reset functions include oil reset, throttle matching, steering angle calibration, brake bleeding, and DPF regeneration. In summary, the Launch CRP123X combines powerful diagnostic capabilities with user-friendly design, making it an indispensable tool for automotive enthusiasts and professionals seeking efficient and affordable vehicle diagnostics. The MotoPower MP69033 is an affordable and practical tool designed for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts seeking a straightforward solution for diagnosing common vehicle issues. This scanner effectively reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, including both generic and manufacturer-specific codes, allowing users to pinpoint the source of the check engine light. One of its key features is live data streaming, which enables real-time monitoring of essential vehicle parameters such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor voltage. This feature is invaluable for diagnosing hidden or intermittent problems that may not trigger a check engine light. The MP69033 also supports freeze-frame data viewing, providing a snapshot of sensor data captured at the time a trouble code was set. This aids in diagnosing issues that occur sporadically. Furthermore, the scanner displays INM monitor readiness status, indicating the efficiency of the vehicle's emissions system. Users can easily determine whether the system is ready for an emissions test or if there are incomplete or failed monitors. Additionally, the device retrieves vital vehicle information such as VIN, calibration ID, and engine type, providing comprehensive diagnostic support. While the MP69033 is a basic OBD2 scanner, it offers practical multi-functions including data flow analysis, real-time curve viewing, and vehicle speed information calculation. The device is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, supporting 9 protocols for most US-based, EU-based, and Asian cars manufactured from 1996 onwards. With its compact design, clear LCD, and intuitive button layout, the MotoPower MP69033 is user-friendly and does not require batteries, drawing power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 data link connector. However, it's important to note that this scanner does not support ABS or airbag systems, focusing solely on OBD2 related diagnostics. Overall, the MP69033 is a practical and budget-friendly option for basic vehicle diagnostics and maintenance tasks.